Verisurf 2026 features an enhanced slice tool for meshes and clouds that's easier to use, provides greater support for automation, and expands reporting for applications like blade analysis and profile evaluation. Verisurf's powerful Slice Mesher Cloud tool is widely used in inspection and reverse engineering workflows to extract 2D profiles from scanned data. It enables users to visualize cross-sections, fit splines, generate CAD geometry, and analyze 2D profile. The enhancements to Slice Mesher Cloud in Verisurf 2026 provide an improved user experience and expanded capabilities. Two controls were renamed to clarify their purpose. The Create Levels option organizes slices by creating individual levels for each slice when geometry is saved to the CAD model. Number of nodes per spline controls the number of interpolated points used to define each spline fitted to the slice, typically when using long splines to create a surface. The Save to CAD group, which saves point, line, spline, and surface geometry to CAD, now allows the slice plane itself to be saved, and if multiple slices are used, all planes are saved. In the Save to Verisurf database group, the new Single Cloud option saves all slices as one unified cloud for easier data management. In addition, the Analysis option saves slices as a single or individual analysis objects for 2D profile evaluation, waviness analysis, and blade cross-section, construction and evaluation in the Report Manager. With Verisurf 2026, you can extract cross-sections from meshes and clouds for use in analysis and reverse engineering with greater efficiency than ever before.